visiting two districts which have been badly affected due to flood 2022, district Sakhar and district Jekpabad. And at my background you can see that there is a huge area where the standing crops, they have been badly destroyed due to the flood, and due to the stagnant water for last 2 months, and then it may take another 2 months to get it recede. So this is a very critical problem, because waterborne diseases can be there, for which can cause so many problems for the people who are already in vulnerable conditions in the rural area. Standing crops, they have been badly affected, and there is going to be a huge crisis for the people, for their livelihood, and also for the food security related issues. So Caritas Pakistan is planning with the field teams to conduct a detailed assessment which will help us to plan our longer term and rehabilitation plans for assisting the people in the rural areas in district Sakhar, in district Jekpabad, and also in interior Sindh, how we can assist the people in these flood affected areas.
Caritas Pakistan Hyderabad, along with Caritas Pakistan National Office, supporting all the communities, those who are affected by these recent floods. We are providing shelters to the community, we are providing food, we are providing medical support. We are requesting all the communities and all the partners all over the world to support these communities who are affected by the recent floods, to support them in these recent emergencies, and as well as for the recovery of the communities. Thank you so much.